Welcome back to Inqua News. Questions are being raised in Panjim after residents reported nearly a week of late-night sewage cleaning work involving heavy machinery mounted on government-marked service truck. The operation, which reportedly begins after midnight and continues until around 6 a.m., has triggered concern over noise disturbance, public inconvenience, and the condition of sewage infrastructure linked to the smart city project.
Residents in parts of Panaji say heavy machinery has been operating through the night for the past several days, producing what they describe as unbearable noise during post-midnight hours. According to workers at the site, the underground sewage line is choked and requires urgent cleaning. They reportedly said the work may continue for another 3 to 4 days. When asked why the operation is being carried out at night, workers cited traffic congestion during daytime hours as the reason.
ये सीवरेज लाइन क्लीन कर रहे हैं। ये कब बना था मुझे मालूम नहीं सर।
तो क्या चोकअप हुआ है?
चौकअप ये देखो सर।
चोकअप हुआ है?
हाँ, चौकअप मतलब क्लीन कर रहा है, बारिश में तकलीफ ना हो इसलिए।
अभी कितना दिन चलेगा और काम?
और 2-3-4 दिन चलेगा सर।
और 4 दिन? इतना आवाज क्यों आ रहा है सब?
तो मशीन का आवाज आता है थोड़ा सा।
तो दिन में काम नहीं कर सकते?
दिन में ट्रैफिक होता है ना सर, अभी ट्रैफिक हो रहा है।
तो यहाँ पे लोगों का तकलीफ है ना, उनको सोने नहीं मिल रहा है।
ठीक है, मैं PWD को बोल देता हूँ उनको, पापा तकलीफ हो रहा है।
ये किसका काम है? कौन दिया है काम? कहाँ PWD कौन सा?
वो लक्ष्मी मैडम के उनका नाम मालूम।
तो तुम कौन सा कंपनी से हो?
हम VN इंजीनियरिंग। हाँ, VN इंजीनियरिंग।
However, the development has also sparked broader questions about the state of Panaji's sewage infrastructure, especially in the context of the Smart City project, which authorities had claimed was completed in March 2025. Residents and observers are now asking whether such extensive intervention in a relatively new sewage network points to technical failure, poor maintenance, or possible deficiencies in execution. Concerns are also being raised over accountability, particularly after the expenditure of thousands of crores of rupees on urban infrastructure. These questions are not entirely new. Panaji MLA Babush Monserrate has on multiple occasions publicly criticized smart city works. In earlier remarks, he had described the Panaji Smart City mission as a massive multi-crore scam. In 2019, after becoming MLA, he sought a review of smart city projects and called for an inquiry into the role of Imagine Panaji Smart City Development Limited, or IPSCDL, while also alleging that he was not being kept informed about developments under the mission. In May 2023, Monserrate again alleged that smart city works were of substandard quality. The current sewage cleaning operation is now likely to intensify scrutiny over whether newly constructed underground infrastructure has developed serious issues within just a few years of completion. At this stage, there has been no official public clarification from the concerned authorities on whether the present blockage is part of routine maintenance or an indication of a larger structural problem.
क्या बेटा? आएगा नहीं। तेरा नंबर प्लेट कहाँ है?
आगे है।
कहाँ? और पीछे किधर है?
पीछे भी है।
कहाँ दिखाओ, किधर है पीछे? नंबर प्लेट दिखा, पीछे किधर है? उतर। तेरे को भी अंदर डालते है कि नहीं? देख कहाँ है नंबर? कहाँ है? यहाँ पे दिख रहा है नंबर? हाँ, कहाँ पे दिख रहा है?
The incident has renewed public focus on the quality, oversight, and long-term reliability of infrastructure created under the Smart City mission. Further clarity is now expected from the civic authorities and project agencies on the cause of the blockage and the condition of the sewage system.